butt weld. Joining of two pieces placed in 180 degrees surface level and the welding is performed is called as butt weld. Fillet weld. Joining of two pieces which are placed in 90 degrees surface level, one surface and another edge surface, both edge surface, and the welding is performed is called as fillet weld. Weld reinforcement. The material which is above the plate surface, miter surface, is called as weld reinforcement. Miter line. The straight line which bisects two toe points is known as miter line. Toe of weld. The point where the weld face joins the parent metal. Toe line. The line on which the weld reinforcement rests on base metal surface. Concave bead. The weld metal is below the miter line. It is known as concave bead. Convex bead. The weld metal is above the miter line. Is known as convex bead. Miter bead. If the weld bead is up to the level of miter line, it is known as miter bead. Gas welding torch. A device which is used for mixing, carrying, flow control and flame igniting of gases is known as gas welding torch. Gas cutting torch. A device which is used for mixing, carrying, flow control and flame igniting of gases is known as gas cutting torch. Gas pressure regulator. A device which monitors content gas pressure in the cylinder and regulates drawing and or working gas pressure. Gas rubber hose pipe. A rubber hose which carries gases from gas pressure regulators and supplies to gas welding or cutting torches. Backfire. If gas flame is snapped out due to wrong gas pressure setting, is known as backfire. Flashback. When the gas flame is snapped out and starts reverse burning towards cylinder with a hissing sound, which is very hazardous, is known as flashback. Electrode holder. A device to carry electricity to the electrode or to hold the electrode in a desired angle. This device is available with different capacities and type, that is 300 amps, 400 amps and 600 amps, partly, semi and fully insulated. Earth clamp. A device to carry electricity to the job table. This device is available with different capacities and type, that is 300 amps, 400 amps and 600 amps. It is prepared by brass casting, GI coated in spring or fixed form. Arc welding cable. This is made of copper or aluminum strands to carry electricity from welding machine to electrode holder and earth cable. Cable lug. This is available in different capacities and types, that is 300 amps, 400 amps and 600 amps. This is preferably made of copper metal. SMAW. Shielded metal arc welding, also known as manual metal arc welding and stick welding. In this process, the electrode is consumable. GMAW. Gas metal arc welding covers CO2 welding, MAG, metal inert gas arc welding, MIG, and flux cored arc welding. In these processes, the electrode is consumable. GTAW. Gas tungsten arc welding. In this process, the electrode is non-consumable. FCAW. Flux cored arc welding. In this process, the electrode is consumable. Electrode, flux coated. A metal stick which is coated with flux and having parts indicated as stub end, tip, bare, core wire, and flux coating. The size of this is determined by the size of bare, core, wire diameter. This is used in shielded metal arc welding as consumable material.